Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about first mini PC with 65-watt AMD Ryzen AI 9HX370 CPU. So friend, the first mini PC without dedicated GPU is comes with 65-watt AMD Ryzen AI 9HX370 and AMD Ryzen AI 9 365 with 10 cores and 12 CPU graphics, and the PC is quite small compared to the top specification Ryzen 7040 and 8040HS variant. What is also interesting is that it has 3 M.2 slot, which is uncommon in such devices. That means it can also serve as network attached storage or a home server, and the prototype has some issue with one of the slot, but they are almost certainly going to be fixed, and the sum applies to the USB 4 Type-C port on the front. Otherwise the device should work without any major issue. And another interesting aspect is that this PC rely on LPDDR5X memory, and this allows the device to be smaller and improve cooling, but it also means no memory upgrade as there are no SODIMM module in this device, and the memory speed should reach 6400 or 7500 MHz, and 16 GB, 32 GB and 64 GB capacity are planned. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.